Hello guys, this is sum number 5 from MPO lesson non-profit organization. Before this we had solved sum number 4 and in this video we are going to solve sum number 5. So I'll read the sum. Bhartiya Kala Kendra Solapur the following gives you the following information for the year ended 31st March 2018. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. So students, you have to prepare only income and expenditure account. Okay, I'll show you the format. See, this is the format. Better understanding, I'll write here income so that it will be remembered to you. Okay, and I'll write here expenditure so that you will be remembered. Okay, now see this one, no, this is opening balance of cash and bank. We won't consider this balance because this is the opening balance. Then locker rent is there, entrance fees is there, sale of old newspaper is there, receipts from drama is there, legacies is there, interest on government securities is there, miscellaneous receipts. So this item will be recorded in income side, and these are the payment side item like stationery, furniture purchased, investment in government securities, expenses of drama, postage, magazines and newspaper salaries, balance carried down. So we won't record this. This is the additional information. Adjustments. Legacies fees are to be capitalized. मतलब ये जो legacies fees है ये कैपिटलाइज हमको करना है, बट हम लोग बैलेंस शीट नहीं बना रहे हैं, इसलिए हम लोग इसको इग्नोर करेंगे. मतलब ये आपको इनकम में नहीं लेने का है, ये बैलेंस शीट में लेना है. Then outstanding salary is there, so where is salary, will put a tick. Where is salary? Here is the salary, we'll just put a tick for our understanding. Then 50% of entrance fees are to be capitalized. Where is entrance fees? Here is the entrance fees, put a tick. So okay, wherever we are having adjustment we have to leave one line. Okay, so we'll start posting. This is the format of income and expenditure account. Okay, this is in the book of Bhartiya Kala Kendra, and this is the heading income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. We'll check the date again. 18, yeah, date is correct. So we'll start. This is question and this is income and expenditure account. So locker rent will be recorded in income side, 400, order column. $400 in this way. is, write it in inner column because adjustment is there. We have already put a tick. Then sale of old newspaper 250. Buy sale of old news paper 250. We'll check amount once again. Yes. Then receipts from drama 9,000. Buy receipts from drama 9,000. No adjustment is there, that's why it will be recorded in outer column. Then legacies adjustment is there. No adjustment. अच्छा हाँ ये है. So देखो ये क्या बोल रहा है, legacies fees are to be capitalized. That means these legacies fees we don't have to take in income. Okay, so ignore this. This is a balance sheet item, and since we are not preparing balance sheet, so we have to ignore it because we have not prepared a balance sheet. Interest on government securities we have to take it because this is interest. अगर ये गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज होता था तो हम लोग नहीं लेते थे, कंसिडर नहीं करते थे, बट दिस इज इंटरेस्ट, ये इनकम है 400. सो बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज. विल चेक अगेन हाउ मच इज द इनकम फ्रॉम इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज 400. सो आई विल रिकॉर्ड हियर 400. Miscellaneous receipts 400. By miscellaneous receipts, how much? 400. Okay. Now see receipt side. Adjustment. If there is adjustment, we'll record it in inner column. Machinery purchase, it won't be recorded in expenditure because this is asset. Asset कभी भी income and expenditure में record नहीं होता है. Income and expenditure में only expenses और incomes are recorded. लेकिन जब ये फर्नीचर परचेस करता है तो ये एक्सपेंस नहीं है, ये तो इन्वेस्टमेंट है फर्नीचर में. ओके, और ये भी won't be recorded in expenditure side क्योंकि ये भी इन्वेस्टमेंट है. Then expenses on drama 3,000, it will be recorded to expenses on drama. How much? We'll check the amount because wrong नहीं होना चाहिए. 3,000. ये सब अमाउंट रॉन्ग हो जाएगा तो आंसर रॉन्ग आएगा. पोस्टेज 450 to postage 450. $6,000, 4,400. then इसका कुछ भी नहीं करना है, because this will be recorded in balance sheet, and since we are not preparing balance sheet, we won't do anything with this. Now we'll go to the adjustment. Legacy fees are to be capitalized. Okay, तो ये कैपिटलाइज करना है, ये तो हमने लिया ही नहीं यहाँ पे. ओके गुड. आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी रुपीज 200. दिस इज सैलरी. रिमेंबर ऑलवेज आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस को हमेशा ऐड करते हैं. आउटस्टैंडिंग 200, so it will be 4,600. Second effect is to be given in liability side. Since we are not preparing balance sheet, we have to ignore it. Then third adjustment, 50% of entrance fees are to be capitalized. Where is the entrance fees? Here is the entrance fees. 50% capitalize करना है, so less 50%. That means 1,450. Side will be added to the capital, but we are not preparing balance sheet, we can ignore it. So check the question whether we have done everything. Yes, so you should get this much answer, 2,650. Let's check whether we are getting. First of all, you have to make the total of both the side. Total of this side is 9,250, and total of this side is 11,900. So which one is higher? This one is higher, so a higher amount will be recorded on both this side. In this way, the way I record, you too will record in the same way. Now here this side is lower, right? So what we'll do, we try to get the difference. Now how to get difference? 11,900, that is bigger amount, minus lower amount, that is 9,250. Okay, 2,650. We will check the answer. 2,650. Okay, so done. This is correct. We'll remove this. We don't need this now. Here you will be writing to surplus, and below that you will be writing excess of income over expenditure. Okay, income side is more, no? So that you have to record excess of income over expenditure. We have done this. Okay, so students, you will be preparing income and expenditure account in this way. I hope you must have understood this sum. So thank you very much for watching this video.